Hey everybody, spending a lot of time trying to come up with some possible ideas that would make putting your projects together easier. I know the actual work of building your project's not as difficult, but we seem to be running into issues when students are trying to go into like the Google Docs. You're losing your formatting. So I want to say that you can select a method that works, but I want to give you some ideas. And if you have ideas, I'd like for you to share them with me so that I can further share with the class, okay? One idea I have is Weebly, building a website. Well, I have a paid subscription. You guys could go and build a Weebly site yourself. I can give you an account under my name, which I don't think you have more access. But it's just as simple as coming and hitting the edit button. It's really an intuitive tool. It's easy to use. And Google Sites is another one that I'm going to show you. You know, you pretty much can click on anything. You can drag and drop titles. You build from this link here. You can add pages here. You can choose from a theme by selecting here. And if you want to change themes, it'll pop up. Lots of different things for you to choose from, or I would encourage you to consider going to Google Sites, and you just go to sites.google.com, and all the sites that either have been shared with me or that I have built are here. And so you simply would decide if you want to build in Classic or Sites, and I really recommend that you build in Sites as there are more options. And let's see, just popping this up again. Okay, I moved my camera out of the way. So to start a Google Sites, you would go to sites.google.com. And then you would simply from here click on this new, this red plus. So you'd make a new site, and voila. It's pretty simple as well. They give you some different layouts over here to choose from. You can import all of these things. Everything on Google Sites is free to use, whereas Weebly would there'd be a fee associated with inserting so many images and video. And so now if you want to create new pages, you would come here, and again my picture's in the way. There's this plus sign here. You'd simply hit that, type in the new page. So really though, it would need to just be one continuous document. I guess you guys could possibly start out with pages, individual pages. Or you could say next, right? So it could still be a magazine. So maybe that's a great idea, is that you can come in and each of you can type in your section title, and then somewhere on the page, you know, I'd like it to say by and your name, so I know who to give credit to for that. So maybe I'm feeling like this might be a little easier to maneuver, and then all you'd have to do is come here to add. So what you want to do is email one another to your university or Gmail account. Any account is fine, but make sure that this little icon is set to can edit, and then that means everybody can get on here and edit. And one good thing about working in here is that we should be able to go back, and I'm not totally sure now that I say this. We should be able to go back and see what changes have been made. I know that you can do that in Weebly. So if you're a little worried about someone editing your stuff, maybe you start yours and you copy and paste it all in at the end. But for your check-in, I need one file, one web address, one file. Y'all, I can't manage it all. There's too many students, okay? So just get in the Remind app, or go to eCourseWare and have a discussion about what you guys think would work best for you. And there must be a consensus, guys. If you can't come to a consensus, let me know. Then I'll tell you what you're going to do. Okay? Alright guys, I hope this helps, and I appreciate you guys continuing to struggle through this. I promise these are great skills that we're building here, okay? Being able to troubleshoot and work through and dig and persevere. You can't put a price tag on it. Okay, thanks guys.